In the age of digitalization, being able to efficiently and effectively retrieve any desired information with pinpoint accuracy should be possible. The quick provision of information regardless of the time is essential, especially with service. The time has come for augmented reality by IDEAL. Augmented reality by IDEAL is forming the bridge between the digital and the real world. Digital images can be projected via the real machine. With the help of digital media, e.g. a tablet, every activity can be represented and then performed by the service technician on the real machine for every single step of the work process. An additional highlight, it's a non-verbal tool and as such, no language barriers. Augmented reality by IDEAL is the ultimate tool for minimizing downtime, reducing costs, making more effective use of service technicians, and keeping operating manuals always up to date in terms of quality.